Hola a todos, my name is Eileen from Catalan International, and we are here in Barcelona in the Raval neighborhood. We have this 2-bedroom apartment that I'm gonna take you on a tour. So follow me. Starting from the balcony, you have this gorgeous big balcony. You have space here for storage, and behind us we have more space here. So here we have the balcony. So this balcony opens up to the living area. So right here you have a couch, fully furnished, and then more storage space. You have here ready furnished the plates, mugs. Right next to it we have the freezer, fridge, the kitchen. Look at this gorgeous modern kitchen. You have a stove, air extractor, a lot of storage space again. Washing machine, which is really convenient. Sink, dishwasher here, dryer. And now let's go to the bedroom. So follow me. This bedroom is perfect size for a person. You have your bed here. You have window with a lot of natural light. Storage space here again for your clothes. Now let me take you to the second bedroom. You also have these beautiful Catalan beams above us to bring that historical charm. Wow, look at this gorgeous second bedroom. Here you have a double bed with a TV. Also you have straight access to the balcony, which is great. And then here we have more storage space. Clothes can all go here. And from there we access the balcony, like I said. And last but not least, the bathroom. Here we have the bathroom. This is really nice. It gives modern. It has these wooden floors, shower. You have a huge sink here, so you have enough space to wash your hands, nice mirror, and of course a toilet. When you come inside of the entryway, you have this amazing wooden door and also tiles. So this combines really nicely the charm of the Catalan and also just nature. So if you're interested, do not hesitate to contact us at info@casano.com, and maybe this will be your next dream apartment. Bye bye.